Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the closure system on your Thermomix TM5 can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it becomes a manageable task. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep all your screws and parts organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the device is completely powered off. Next, remove the bowl and lid. This will give you easier access to the closure mechanism. Now, locate the screws on the base of the Thermomix. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws. Keep them in a small container so you don't lose any. As you remove the screws, be cautious of the internal components. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top section of the Thermomix to expose the closure system. You might notice some dust or residue inside. This is the perfect time to clean the internal parts. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any debris, ensuring that everything is clean for optimal performance. Now, focus on the closure system itself. Inspect it for any wear or damage. If you notice any issues, this is a good indication that it needs to be replaced. To do this, you may need to pry the old closure system out using your flathead screwdriver carefully. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the old closure system removed, take your new closure system and align it correctly within the Thermomix. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating that it's secure. If you're not comfortable with this replacement, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which can save you time and hassle. Now, replace the top section of the Thermomix, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this may damage the device. If you have any concerns about the repair, remember to get a quote before repair. Once all screws are tightened, give your Thermomix a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Reattach the bowl and lid, and plug in your device. It's a good idea to test the closure system by opening and closing it several times to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully changed the closure system on your Thermomix TM5. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer professional assistance, keep in mind that we can help with no calls, no travel required. Simply reach out for our services at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.